Hello friends, welcome to SAS Food Blog.
In this video we are going to see how to make healthy banana smoothie in just 2 minutes. Want a creamy, delicious and healthy banana smoothie? This easy banana smoothie recipe is packed with nutrition and takes just 2 minutes to make. Perfect for breakfast, post-workout or refreshing snacks.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update.
Ingredients for making banana smoothie: banana, honey, ice cubes, cashew nuts and almonds. Preparation method: take 2 numbers of banana and peel off the skin and cut into round shape. Take a blender jar and add the chopped banana and add 1 teaspoon of honey and add few ice cubes and blend it and keep it aside. Take a serving glass and pour the blended banana smoothie and garnish with chopped cashew nuts, almonds and banana pieces. Healthy and tasty banana smoothie is ready to serve.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update.